Hi Krishna, sorry to hear about the problem with your Bosch WKD28350. You say you've got an E13 error code and you found a toy or small item in the pump and you've managed to clear it. Now, if your washing machine is going through the cycle, as you say in the email now, but you're unable to open the door at the end of the cycle, this could be because you have an error stored in the memory on the circuit board. And this means that you're having to pull the emergency cord every time it finishes a cycle. Now, I'm actually away at the moment for 2 weeks. I've been to the IFA Berlin trade show and I've now come to the northern end of Holland, which is the Western Frisian Islands. And these are just out there in the distance. Now, I'm actually working from my van, which you can see in the background there. So I'm not in the workshop for at least another week or so. But I'm happy to help you. Now, I'm adding a page to this actual article or video description, and on that page will be a video on how to clear error codes on Bosch, Neff and Siemens washing machines. Sometimes the way you clear the error code is different from machine to machine. So we will have to see if this video rectifies the problem for you, or you're going to have to do some research on your full model number. Now, you've only given me the WKD28350. There's normally 2 letters after that, which would be something like GB for Great Britain, and then there will be a / and a Pacific number. This may be anything from 01 all the way to 25. So we need to find the procedure for clearing the error code. I've got a video on general error codes on how to clear them, but your Pacific model, as it's a washer dryer, might be different. So I hope this helps you. If not, you're going to do a little bit of research to find out how to actually clear the Pacific error code. I hope this helps you. Thanks very much. Goodbye from Holland.